Or even worse, if you have an interference engines, the pistons will hit the valves, bend the valves, and destroy your engine. Now the timing belt connects the bottom of the engine to the top to run the valves, and if it breaks, your car will stop running. Now the bottom timing cover is behind the pulley, so you got to take the bolt off that holds the harmonic pulley in.
Most drivers rely on warning lights to signal car trouble. But what if I told you there are 5 critical engine failures that won't trigger any alerts? These silent assassins can destroy your engine before you even know something's wrong. Stick around as we reveal how to spot and prevent these disasters before it's too late. Number 1, the silent killer.
Or even worse, if you have an interference engines, the pistons will hit the valves, bend the valves, and destroy your engine. Position so you can remove the belt. The belt just then slips right off. Here it is. And once the belt has tightened itself, put a wrench on and make the bolt nice and snug so the tensioner stays in place.
Imagine you're cruising down the highway. The engine is humming, your favorite song is on the radio, and everything seems fine until, without warning, your car shuts down. No dashboard lights, no alarm, just silence. One of the most common culprits? A timing belt failure. This unassuming piece of rubber could wreck your engine if left unchecked. The timing belt has one job, but it's a big one. It synchronizes the movement of your engine's pistons and valves. If that belt snaps, this perfect choreography turns into chaos. Pistons can slam into valves, bending or breaking them entirely. And here's the kicker. This kind of damage isn't just inconvenient, it can leave you needing a complete engine overhaul. Repair costs? Often upwards of $4,000. The worst part? There's no sensor, no early warning system to tell you it's about to give out. Timing belts wear down, mostly because of the intense heat and friction inside your engine. Over time, the rubber weakens, small cracks form, and it eventually deteriorates. Many drivers are caught off guard because their car still runs perfectly fine until the moment it doesn't. A belt failure is sudden, final, and expensive. Luckily, this disaster is easy to prevent. Car manufacturers generally recommend replacing your timing belt every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the make and model. It's routine maintenance, but one that's often overlooked. Protecting your engine starts with paying attention to this often ignored component. But the timing belt isn't the only silent threat. Sometimes engine failure is much messier and much harder to spot. Number 2, the engine's weak link. Have you ever noticed thick white smoke pouring from a car's exhaust? It's a startling sight, often signaling one thing: a blown head gasket. Beyond the unsettling visuals, it comes with a hefty price tag, and it's one of the most devastating failures your engine can face. The head gasket is responsible for sealing combustion chambers, coolant passages, and oil passages within the engine. When it fails, chaos begins. Engines overheat, fluids mix, and parts break down rapidly. Here's the problem: it all happens without a single dashboard light flickering on as a warning. One of the earliest signs of failure occurs when coolant leaks into the combustion chamber. Burned coolant creates that infamous white smoke, which might seem minor until you understand the full scale of the damage already underway. Overheating is a major consequence, and if left unchecked, can warp cylinder heads or even crack the engine block. These issues escalate quickly, affecting critical components like engine bearings or piston rings. Internal leaks can also lead to coolant mixing with oil, turning it into a sludgy, milky substance that destroys proper lubrication. By the time these warning signs show up, you're often looking at over $2,000 in repairs. To prevent failures, check coolant levels regularly and watch your temperature gauge closely. Don't ignore unexplained overheating. It's a quiet alarm something is wrong. While vigilance won't eliminate every risk, early detection of leaks could save you from catastrophic damage. If you think this sounds expensive, the next failure on the list raises the stakes even further. Before we move on, I will like you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Number 3, turbocharger trouble. Turbochargers are a marvel of modern engineering, delivering added power and efficiency by forcing more air into the engine's combustion chambers. They take exhaust gases, spin a turbine at over 100,000 RPM, and compress air to supercharge the engine. It's a brilliant system, until something goes wrong. When a turbocharger fails, it doesn't just leave your engine struggling, it leaves your wallet hurting too. Operating under intense heat and pressure, turbochargers are constantly at risk of wear. Over time, internal components like the turbine blades and bearings can degrade due to friction and temperature. This environment pushes the turbocharger to its limits with no safety net. There's no built-in warning light to tell you it's failing. Instead, drivers are left to catch subtle signs that often go unnoticed. Reduced engine power is one clear indicator as the turbo stops delivering its trademark boost. Excessive smoke, either white or blue, suggests oil leaks inside the turbocharger, while a high-pitched whistle could mean turbine damage. Ignore these red flags, and you could face a replacement bill between $1,500 and $3,000. Prevention is all about maintenance. Turbochargers depend on oil for lubrication and cooling, so skipping oil changes or using poor quality oil accelerates damage. Follow your car manufacturer's oil schedule religiously and consider inspecting your turbo system during routine servicing. A little diligence can extend its life significantly, but while a failing turbocharger can ground your engine, the next issue we'll cover has the potential to destroy it entirely. Number 4, crankshaft catastrophe. The crankshaft is the foundation of your engine, converting the piston's up and down motion into the rotational energy that powers your car. Without it, the engine can't function. But despite its critical role, the crankshaft is rarely thought about until it fails. And when it does, it's one of the most expensive problems an engine can experience. Crankshaft problems often begin with small, hard-to-detect issues like hairline cracks, imbalances, or insufficient lubrication. These might sound minor, but they grow into something far worse. Cracks can spread, weakening the structure of the crankshaft until it eventually snaps. Imbalances caused by wear or physical damage can ripple through the engine, creating vibrations that stress other components. If the crankshaft breaks, the aftermath is catastrophic. It can cause pistons, connecting rods, and even the cylinder block to collide, resulting in widespread internal damage. Repairs aren't just costly. They're often so expensive, it's better to replace the entire engine. The price of fixing or replacing a failed crankshaft can easily surpass $4,000. Preventative maintenance is essential. Regular oil changes ensure proper lubrication, and routine inspections by a qualified mechanic can help detect early signs like vibrations or unusual noises. Catching these problems early could save your engine and your wallet from total disaster. Speaking of critical components, what's next on our list is just as essential and just as vulnerable. Number 5, fuel injector failures. Fuel injectors might not get much attention, but they're essential for keeping your engine running smoothly. These components deliver precise amounts of fuel into the combustion chamber, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. When they fail, though, your engine can sputter, stall, or even stop altogether. And there's rarely any warning. One of the most common issues with fuel injectors is clogging. Over time, contaminants in the fuel or carbon deposits can block them, restricting the flow of fuel. This disrupts the delicate balance in your engine, leading to symptoms like rough idling, misfires, or poor fuel efficiency. When a fuel injector fails completely, the repair costs can hit hard. Replacing them often runs $1,000 or more, depending on your car and the number of injectors involved. Cars with more cylinders tend to require more injectors, pushing the bill even higher. Add in the complexity of modern engines, and even diagnosing the issue can become time-intensive and costly. Avoiding these headaches starts with preventative care. High-quality fuel often contains additives to prevent debris buildup, and regular cleanings keep injectors performing their best. Routine maintenance not only ensures reliability, but it also saves you from a potentially expensive and inconvenient breakdown. Engine failures don't always come with a dashboard light to warn you. But the good news is they're often preventable. From timing belts to fuel injectors, staying on top of routine maintenance can save you thousands in costly repairs and even extend your car's lifespan. It's about taking charge of your car's health before small issues spiral into catastrophic problems. Now's the time to act. Contact a trusted mechanic for a complete inspection and create a maintenance plan tailored to your vehicle. Being proactive protects both your car and your wallet. Curious to learn more? Check out our other videos for expert tips and advice.